Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to remove a cloud activation lock on iPhone and iPads. Using MagFone Unlocker, you can watch this video in different languages. Go to Google and search MagFone Unlocker and open website. Download tool free trial. Easiest tool to bypass iCloud MagFone iPhone Unlocker. MagFone activation Unlocker 30% off with coupon code GSM030. After installation of MagFone Unlocker, activate the tool, then connect your iPhone. Then click Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Bypass process will start. It will auto jailbreak your iPhone. Like this video and write a comment on below this video. Also share if helpful with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Now being with video again. After jailbreak, click Remove iCloud. Then iCloud lock will remove in few seconds. MagFone Unlocker will active your iPhone. Then set up your iPhone and enjoy. MagFone Unlocker website, check below in description. Get 30% off with using my coupon code GSM030. Hope you like this video and share with your friends. Drop a beautiful comment on below this video. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon for more new updates. Thanks for watching.